description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Today we got one that came from a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to www.meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a neat Japanese variety I'm really curious about. This is Tenkaippin. It's a Sapporo Ichiban Tenkaippin tie-in with a ramen restaurant chain, and it's Kyoto chicken broth flavor. I'm curious about this one. Here's what the side of it looks like. Ooh, it is mini. So let's give this a shot. Put this all together for you. Seasoning powder, more of the seasoning powder, a liquid sachet, and some of that. Alright, so let's get this show on the road, as they say in places where they have road shows, I guess. Right to there. All right, so yeah, Japanese variety. This is from one of those subscription boxes, which are really quite good. I've been thoroughly impressed with their subscription boxes, like thoroughly. Like I said on the last episode, I am just beat. I'm sore. It's like I'm sitting here and I'm like, oh, headache, pain. Yeah. But I will survive and continue and beat myself up until it doesn't bother me anymore. That's kind of the rubric that I follow. If it hurts, you're not doing it enough. So I'm going to do it more. But yeah, I got 3 new varieties today on the cheap, and I'm really stoked. So that'll be the next thing I'm doing tomorrow. For now, yeah, I got 3 ready to go yesterday for today, and I'm going to get 3 ready to go today for tomorrow. Yeah, it's a good thing. The sun... If I stand over there, it's right in my face, but it's not hitting my platform where I do my my pretty pictures. So we will see how that goes. I'm curious about this stuff. Very, very curious. The noodle looks to be rather thick for a little teeny tiny cup. I'm gonna need scissors too. I should grab them scissors. God, it feels like it should be done already. Yeah, anyways. It's Wednesday. The short day for kids. So I went on a short walk today. And I'm trying to come up with something interesting to talk about for the show, but I'm coming up zilch today. But it's kind of an interesting set I'm doing. Yesterday, what was it? German, Taiwanese, and what was the last one I did yesterday? Malaysian product for Hong Kong, that's right. And today, it was from India, then Japan, and the next one is going to be from... It's Latin American styled flavor, made in South Korea for the US market. So we got a hodgepodge of stuff tomorrow it's gonna, or yeah, for the reviews I do tomorrow, it'll be an interesting hodgepodge as well. So, okay. So we need to add this. So yeah, this is supposed to be a Kyoto chicken broth ramen to do. Let's have a look-see. So there's the extra flavoring deal thing right there. Sounds good. I'm hoping it is good. I'm really hoping it is good. So, yeah, I feel like I just need to like wake up, but I've been having I'm not awake yet, although I've gone and walked like 3 miles already. Anyways, let's give this a try. Get on with the get-onables. Make a nice looking bowl of noodles. So the last one I did was that one from India, and now I've got like a weird headache after having it. I don't know, the Indian varieties, the cup noodles, I think it's like the food coloring they put in it. I don't know. Could be unrelated as well. Very chicken, very thick too, like surprisingly thick broth. Well, if you're looking for chicken stew with some noodles, that's what you're gonna get in that one. That's the vibe I'm getting from this. Is it good? Yeah, it's pretty good. Is it 50 stars? No. It's good. It's honestly, it's perfect for its colder month, winter. So I would recommend this as a winter warmer. Okay, so what are we throwing in here? I've got some scallion. I've got narutamaki. And I think I'm going to add egg in this one. Oh no! Yeah, there goes my window of opportunity, folks. Yep. The area where I take the pretty pictures is now scathed, quite scathed by the sun. It looks like I gotta make more eggs tomorrow because I'm going to use eggs on this one and the next one. And I'm bummed because my regular eggs were not available where I get them. So I had to get non-usual eggs. I like to get these heirloom or heritage or whatever eggs. These are the eggs that the people flip out and go, eggs cost $8 a dozen. It's like, no, the nice eggs do, and they always have. The cheapo eggs, like regular white store brand eggs, no, they don't. Don't be a ninny. I could add a little bit of chili crisp, and I think I might just have to do that. I'm gonna add some Momofuku chili crunch. using the holy spoon. Reminds me, I still got to update my roundup of chili crisps. But yeah, noodles, look at that. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is made by Samyang Foods over in South Korea for the US market. It's kind of a Hispanic style-y one. It's picantia, Cajun shrimp. It's spicy, I guess. We'll find out. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.